Sleepy Bird by Jeremy Tankard. It was bedtime, but Bird was not ready to go to sleep. His wings wanted to flap. His legs wanted to run. All of him wanted to play. "Whee!" said Bird. "It's party time." Fox was getting cozy when he heard Bird coming. "Goodness," said Fox. "That's a lot of noise for bedtime." "I'm not tired," said Bird. "Maybe if you hugged my blankie," said Fox. "It helps me get sleepy." "Blanky schmanky," said Bird. "Let's play." Fox was too sleepy to play, so Bird went to find Beaver. "It's bedtime, Bird," said Beaver. "Bedtime is for babies," said Bird. "How about I read you a story?" said Beaver. "How about you don't?" said Bird. He tapped Beaver on the arm. "Tag! You're it." Bird ran to Rabbit's house, but Beaver didn't follow. "Everybody says it's bedtime," said Bird, "but I'm not tired. Want to snuggle with my stuffed kitty?" asked Rabbit. "A stuffed cat," said Bird. "Are you trying to give me nightmares?" Bird went to find Raccoon. "Raccoon," said Bird, "you'll play with me, right?" "It's bedtime," said Raccoon. "I'm going to sing a soft lullaby and drift off to sleep." "But you're nocturnal," said Bird. "Why won't anyone play?" Bird flounced over to Sheep's place. "You know what you need," said Sheep. "New friends," suggested Bird. "You need to count sheep," said Sheep. "That always helps you fall asleep." "There's only one of you. How can you get sleepy counting one?" Bird stormed off. If no one what? I could read.
I've been looking while you were reading. I've been looking the whole story.
If no one would play with him, he would just walk forever. That's a long time. After a little while, his rings dropped. His legs crumpled. "I'm not tired," he cried. "Why should I go to sleep?" Bird's friends heard his cries and came running. Fox covered Bird with a blankie. Beaver read a story. Rabbit tucked a stuffed kitty under Bird's wings. Raccoon sang a quiet song. Sheep counted herself until she got to one more time, then she could count. "I'm not sleepy," mumbled Bird as he closed his eyes. "Finally," said his friends. "I thought he'd never go to sleep." said Fox. They laid down near Bird and slept. Bird rolled over. He opened his eyes and yawned. It stretched. Hee-yah! Shot Bird. "Who wants to play?" I just scale 1 to 10. Hayden looks like the bird. I think y'all look alike. Just paint you blue.